Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to join online session in Monster Hunter World. Joining an online session lets you play with other hunters, join hunts faster, and access multiplayer content. First, launch Monster Hunter World. From the main menu, select Start Game. Choose a save data, then select Search for an online session. You can search by matchmaking, which connects you to an online session immediately. You can also filter search to specify your matchmaking preferences like player type or language. And search via session ID if your friends have already made an online session and you want to join them. Select a session type and confirm. Once loaded, you'll be placed into the online session with other players. You can check this by going to the in-game menu, head to the Communications tab, then select Player List. Here, you will see all the players in this online session. And that's how to join online session in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.